Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a shipping label on Shopify. From your Shopify admin dashboard, click Orders on the left sidebar. In the top right corner, click Create Order. Now, go to Home, Orders, and Create Order. After clicking Create Order, you'll be in the Drafts tab. Browse or search your products and click Add next to each product you want to include. You can also add a custom item like a one-time service or manual discount. Now, once you've confirmed the product details in total, click Mark as Paid. A warning will appear stating that the draft will be converted to regular order. Confirm this, then click Create Order. After this step, the order will appear in your main orders list just like any automatically placed orders. Now, on the right-hand panel, click Add Customer to select the customer. Enter or edit the shipping address and add a note if needed. Now, when your order is ready, click More Actions, then Print Packing Slips. Shopify will generate a PDF format packing slip. Includes the package. It's different from the shipping label, which goes outside. Just the packing slip is the inside the box, but the shipping label is outside the package. So you can also duplicate previous draft orders to save time if you frequently sell the same products manually. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.